Yo, YouTube, what is up? It is me. It is I, Levante Grades here. About to do another transfer. Today is Wednesday. Another payout for Lead Lightning. As you can see, got $4 available. I'm about to go add it to the transfer method here. Go to Action. Go to Transfer to Bank Account. And yes, the payment from last week did go through. It actually transferred into my account under 24 hours. So I'm gonna do the transfer the maximum amount, which is $3. I have had 3 sales for the last 3 weeks, so this is the last sale for the past week. Just hit continue, take a $1 fee. So as you can see, now I'm gonna start, and then now I can even track my transfer. So there you have it. And yeah, Lead Lightning. Um, like if you have a plan, a traffic plan, you can determine how much traffic you can get, so you can start getting X amount of sales per week. So let's say, hey, I purchase 1,000 clicks from such and such, and each week I get 70 to 80 leads, opt-ins, and within those 70 to 80 opt-ins, I'll probably get maybe between 5 to 10 sales. And that's just me being completely hypothetical. Like, you got to know your numbers, and this is definitely a numbers game, and knowing how much traffic you should buy to get this amount of traction can determine how much income that comes in weekly. And if you don't have a lot of money, then certainly have a lot of time on your hands to do other things like creating content, posting it on free social media platforms, ads, banner ads, anything free that can generate leads for you, because you don't have a lot of money but you have a lot of time. So you can use that time to start generating traffic for yourself naturally and organically by just giving out value. And of course, the end result of this whole last year being broke plan is me ending up in the high ticket offers. Like, I want to be able to start out and getting high ticket offers, high ticket commissions, and basically along those lines. And then from that point, just documenting my progression throughout this whole process. So thanks for watching, guys. More is to come. We are on the come up here. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the inside.